Students, hello! Welcome everyone to this lesson. But before we begin our today's lesson, let's review what we looked at last time. Last time we looked at volume. Volume. And we said that, what is volume? Who can tell me? What is volume? Very good. Volume is the amount of space taken up by an object. Volume is the amount of space taken up by an object. Thank you so much. And we said that the volume of an object is measured in what? Thank you, is measured in cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. Thank you. How else do we measure volume of an object? Very nice. It is measured in milliliters. Milliliters or liters. Milliliters, that is ml, or liters, the abbreviation is L. Thank you. Students, what do we use to measure the volume of a liquid? What do we use to measure the volume of a liquid? Very nice. We use a syringe. A syringe. A syringe. S-Y-R-I-N-G-E. Syringe. And we also use a measuring cylinder. A measuring cylinder. Thank you so much, students. In today's lesson, we shall look at states of matter. States of matter. States of matter. Is there anyone who can tell me the states of matter? Okay. We have this. One of them is gas. Gas. G-A-S. Gas. Thank you. And when we talk of gas, you can see this is, what is this? Balloon. So there is a gas inside balloon or air. And another state of matter we have is liquid. Liquid. Liquid, for example, we have water. Water. Water is an example of liquids. Okay? And another state we have is solid. Solid. S-O-L-I-D. Solid. And the example of solid we have books. Books are examples of solids. Okay? Thank you. So let's look at properties of solids. These states of matter, they have different properties. And let's first look at properties of solids. A solid has a fixed shape and volume. For example, the cookies are solid. The cookies are a solid. At first we have said that examples of solids we had book, but cookies are also examples of solids. As we have said that a solid has a fixed shape and volume. In the picture we are seeing cookies. They are put in different objects. A, you are seeing cookies in a jar. Cookies in a jar. B, we have cookies in a plastic tray. The cookies in a jar were moved to a plastic tray. But as you can look at them in A and B, the shape of the cookies is the same, and even the volume of the cookies is the same. Do you understand? Let's see in C. In C we have cookies on a plate. Have they changed? Yes or no? No. So that's why we say that solids have a fixed shape. They have a fixed shape and a fixed volume. When they are in this jar in A, they maintain their shape. Even in B, the shape it is the same. Even in C, the shape is the same. Okay? Thank you so much. So we end up by saying that a solid has a fixed shape and volume. Thank you so much, students. Let's move on. Let's look at properties of liquids. Properties of liquids. A liquid has no fixed shape. A liquid has no fixed shape. As you can see, it can flow from one container to another and take the shape of its container. As you can see in the picture, water was transferred from the bottle to glass. And from the bottle to glass, it took the shape of a glass. Do you understand? And as you can see in the picture, liquid can flow from one container to another. Liquid can flow from one container to another, and it takes the shape of that container. Okay? As you can see in these bottles here, the liquid has different shapes. When you see these bottles, they are different, and even the liquid inside, it has different shape. When it is transferred to the blue bottle, it will have a different shape, as you can see. Therefore, we say that liquids have no fixed shape. Liquids have no fixed shape. And they also have a fixed volume. They have a fixed volume. The shape will change, but the volume will remain the same. So they have no fixed shape, but they have fixed volume. Okay? Thank you. Let's move on. We have here another state is gas. Gas. G-A-S. Gas. A gas has no fixed shape. A gas has no fixed shape. As you can see, the gas takes the shape of its container, as you can see in the picture. Therefore, we say that gases have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container. Let's go on. Look at this picture. This picture shows that gases can flow freely. Gases can flow freely. So they have no fixed shape, and they have no fixed volume. So gases have no fixed shape and volume. Okay? Thank you so much, students. Now, let's summarize what we have looked at today. We have looked at 3 states of matter. What are they? 1, good. 1 is gas. 2, good. 2 is liquid. Another one is, thank you, solid. And we have said that, so what have we talked about solids? What have we talked about solids? Thank you. We have said that solids have fixed shape and volume. Solids have fixed shape and volume. And what have we talked about liquids? Thank you. Liquids have no fixed shape but have fixed volume. Thank you so much. What about gas? Thank you. Gases have no fixed shape and volume. Thank you so much, students. And let's meet in the next lesson. Bye bye. I love you.